Have you ever pondered what makes you you? The concept of self is an intriguing philosophical construct grounded in consciousness studies. It's like a spotlight in the theater of the mind, illuminating the individual at the center of their introspective cognition. But here's the catch: our understanding of the self is inherently biased. It's like looking into a mirror that only reflects our personal experiences, cognitive processes, and emotive responses. This unique internal view of ourselves is tailored to our individual subjectivity, shaped by our own life experiences. It's a perception that's as unique as our fingerprints, making it impossible for others to fully comprehend. And that's the beauty of it. The self is not just about our existence, it's about our unique journey through life, our distinctiveness, and how we perceive ourselves in this vast universe. So the self is not just about our existence, but it's a unique experience shaped by our subjectivity. Is self the same as subjectivity? Not quite. Subjectivity paints the broad strokes of our individual thoughts, feelings, and perspectives. It's the canvas on which our experiences are painted. On the other hand, self is more like the brush, the instrument that shapes our sense of identity and existence. It's how we recognize ourselves as unique entities, separate from the world around us. Now imagine this brush, the self, in a dual dance, reaching outward to touch the world, then swirling back inward towards its origin. This dance, this outward projection and inward reversion, shapes our self-perception and self-identity. It's a continuous cycle, a dance that never ends, constantly redefining our understanding of ourselves in relation to the world. In essence, the intricate dynamics of selfhood and its relation to subjectivity offer valuable insights into the human cognitive process, paving the way for a deeper understanding of individuality, consciousness, and the complexity of human experience.